These three brass bells look beautiful in a home or in a shop. They mount easily to any surface using 2 screws. It does come included with all the hardware that you need. I like the quality construction of this. It looks really nice and high-end in person. When you ring the bells, they're loud and clear. I have mine hanging in the kitchen, and it functions both as a dinner bell and as a decorative piece. I get a lot of compliments on this, and I've been really pleased with it. This bell gets daily use, and it's held up well over the years. I haven't had any tarnishing. Each of the 3 bells has 3 gongs on the inside. You could even use this in an outdoor garden area if you wanted to. If you're looking for a beautiful bell or a nice decorative item for your home, definitely check this one out. I've been really pleased with mine.